Hi, this is Stephen with Fastcall. In this video, you're going to learn about how you can view details of the calls you've made or received using the task records in Salesforce. I'm assuming two things in this video. The first is that your administrator has set up Salesforce to use the Fastcall task layout, page layout. If they haven't, you won't be able to see the details relating to Fastcall on the task record. The second assumption is that your administrator has left Fastcall creating task records for every call. It's possible to turn this off. With these assumptions in mind, for every call made or received in Salesforce, Fastcall will create both a task record and its own object, a call record. The task is something that exists in Salesforce already, and it's already used to store information about events, emails, tasks, etc. The call record is something that's added by Fastcall, and it records more specialized information about the call. I'll take you through the call record in its own unit. Okay, so you can get to the task record for any call in many ways through Salesforce, for example from a contacts page or a custom report. However, you can also get to it through the Fastcall widget. If you click the View Task or Call Log button on any call record in the widget, it will open it up. So now we're on the task record for this call. At the top, we've got the standard Salesforce details about the object. I'm not going to go through these. Instead, I'm going to talk about what Fastcall has added. Fastcall's added two sets of fields. They're pretty self-explanatory, but let's go through them anyway. Under Fastcall details, we've got the following. Call from. So this will link to the phone number and record that made the call. Call to. That's the phone number to which the call was made. The call type, so this is an outbound call. The call result, that was recorded using the Fastcall widget. The call duration, which is the length of the call in seconds. Call recording will contain a link to the recording of the call, if that's turned on. The actual recording is stored in Twilio, not Salesforce, so this just contains a link out of Salesforce. You can learn more about how call recordings work in that unit. Call notes contains the notes that the user recorded in the widget. And finally, the call object identifier is a unique identifier to link to the call record in Twilio. We also have a section called Fastcall Logs on the task record. As I mentioned earlier, Fastcall creates both task and call records for every call. The Fastcall Logs section of a task record links through to the call object recorded by Fastcall. So at the top we've got the link to the call object, and then we've got links to other objects that Fastcall creates, such as a connection, voicemail if a voicemail has been left, SMS message if an SMS has been left. So that's how you can view details of a call using the Salesforce task records. Next up, the unit on viewing the details of a call using the Fastcall call records.